So NEET 2023 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ F2 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ field and area vector is equal to 0. So this is the closed E vector. So dA vector is equal to 0 anta ide. You have four options with you. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, this is called as a closed surface. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so closed surface ಅಲ್ಲಿ electric field and area vector is equal to, what is the answer is here? 0. So 0 means the number of electric field lines entering to the the number of electric field lines entering to the closed loop is equal to what? The number of electric field lines leaving from the surface. What is the closed surface of EDA is equal to estatically 0. Okay, the magnitude of electric field on the surface is constant. Wrong. All the charges must be necessary inside. No. The electric field inside the surface necessarily uniform. No. The number of flux lines, number of electric field lines entering to the surface must be equal to the number of flux leaving from it. That is a option 4th is the right answer for the first question. So let's see to the second question. So what is the second question? The error in the measurement which arises due to the unpredictable fluctuations in the temperature and voltage. So unpredictable fluctuations is called as what? Random error. That is a option 3 is the right answer. So random error is unpredictable. So for the fluctuations in the temperature, voltage, so that is the random error is the right answer. Next, move to the question number 3rd. A football player is moving southward and suddenly turns eastward. Okay, so let's see the direction. Okay, so this is the direction. So north, south, east, west. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So that is the, so ಈ football south, okay, moving towards the south. So let's see, this is the south direction. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so that is a initial speed is equal to, so that is v, south means minus j cap. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ suddenly turns to the, so suddenly ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ? So it is turns final is equal to, so east ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ with same speed ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So that is, force is proportionality to the acceleration. Velocity, change in velocity, it is a final velocity minus initial velocity. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ that is final minus initial is equal to final ನೋಡಿ v I cap minus into minus plus v j cap. So you have to v common, I cap plus j cap. So I cap j cap andre, so what is the direction for this one? So ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? I cap plus ನೋಡಿ, this is I cap, this is j cap. So this is the direction. Okay, this is the direction. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the direction for this one? So north east. Okay, so along what? North east. That is a option number 2 is the right answer for third question. So let's move to the fourth question. So nodi, what is a fourth question is here? The fourth question is, a metal wire has mass, so gram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, radius and length ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So okay, maximum percentage error in the density. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎರರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ? ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾಟ್? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೈರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್? pi r square into length. Area into length is equal to volume. What is a percentage error? Delta rho by rho is equal to delta m by m. Delta m by m plus pi is a constant. You have to remove that one. So that is delta r by r plus delta l by l. That is a delta rho by rho is equal to, so what is a mass? That is a 2 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3 minus 3 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 2 into delta r radius. Okay, no need to conversion. Yakandre both are in gram. Idu kuda gram, idu kuda gram, idu kuda mm. This is also mm nallide. So 2 into 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus delta L. So 2 into 10 to the power of 1, 2 minus 2 divided by what? 5. So now we have to do the calculation. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So andre 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus, so 2 3, so 3 1 ja 0.66, so 0.66 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus, so 5 4 ja 20, 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So now that is a delta rho by rho is equal to, so 0.5, 0.9, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1.54 nearly 1.6. So 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So percentage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, you have to into what? 100. So delta rho divided by rho into 100 is equal to 1.6 percentage. So 10 to the power of minus 200 will be 1 agutte. So which is the right answer? That is option 2 is the right answer. Nodi, option 2 is the right answer for fourth question. So let's move to the question number 5th. The net magnetic flux through the closed surface. Okay, so let's see. This is a closed surface. So in this closed surface nalli, that is a net magnetic flux is equal to 0 anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Okay, 0. Why it is 0? Why? Because, okay, so because it does not exist. Okay, so does not exist for monopole. Okay, so single pole ana ide exist ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Okay, north to south. So you have to cut into this one. So ಇದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will be small piece also north south. Again you have to cut north south. So that is the reason it does not exist for monopole. That is the reason the magnetic flux through the closed surface is equal to what? 0. That is a fourth option is the right answer. So let's move to the question number 5th. Question number 6th. 6th nodi, in LCR circuit inductance is 10 millihenry, capacitance is equal to 1 microfarad, resistance is equal to 100. Frequency calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. First one, angular frequency is equal to, okay, so that is angular frequency is equal to ಏನಿದೆ, so that is a square root of L into C. So omega means what? 2 pi f. So 2 pi f is equal to 1 divided by square root of LC. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so f is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi square root of LC. So now you have to put the values. So values ana substitution ಮಾಡಿ. So that is 2 into 3.142 into square root of L. What is L value is here? 10 millihenry. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Millihenry is converted into Henry. So C, capacitor 10 to the power of minus 6. So now we have to do the simplification, that is 1 divided by, so 6 point, so 3 to 6, 6.28, 10 to the power of, so 8 barutte, 8 means 10 to the power of 4. So 10 to the power of 4 anna you have to shift 10 to the power of kilo dalli the answer you have to, so 3 into 10 divided by 6.28. Nodi 10 divided by 6.28. So nearly enagutte 1.59 into, so into 10 to the power of 3. So 3 means kilohertz. So which is the right answer? 1.59 kilohertz. That is a option 3 is the right answer for the sixth one. So let's move to the seventh question. Okay, so seventh question anna nodi, the magnitude and direction of the current in the following circuit. Okay, this is the following circuit. Now we have to potential difference between these two. So potential difference estagutte idruddu, okay, so E, this is called as E. So potential difference estagutte appadre, so 10 to 5 andre, so 10 minus 5 is equal to how much? That is the 5 volt. So potential difference 5 volt aitu. So this is a resistor is 2 ohm. So then this is called as 7 ohm. So then this is the 1 ohm. 1 ohm, 7 ohm. So current, what is the direction of current? Current is flow from, so this is the direction of current. Okay, so current to e direction alli flow agutte. Okay, so let's, this is the direction of current, yakandre this is 5 volt. Okay, so now you have to come to the current. Current is equal to Ohm's law prakara, so V is equal to I into R, that is a delta V, potential difference. So V andre direct agi V bandiದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, I is equal to V divided by R. R andre 3 resistors. These 3 resistors are what is connection? Series. RS. So V is equal to how much? 5 volt divided by 7 into 2, 9. So to 7 into 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So that is equal to 0.5 ampere. So what is the answer? 0.5 ampere from A to the B. So through the what? E. E is here. Okay, this is the E. So which is the right answer? That is first option is the right answer for this question. Question number 8. The equivalent capacitance of the system shown in the figure. ನೋಡಿ equivalent capacitance find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾವೆ? ಇವು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಸೊ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? equivalent capacitance. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3 ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫ್ಯಾರಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? C1 plus C2. 3 plus 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 plus 3 6 ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫ್ಯಾರಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? CS is equal to ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಮ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 into 3 divided by 6 plus 3. 18 by 9. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 2 ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫ್ಯಾರಡ್. So that is option 4th is the right answer for 8th question. So let's move to the 9th question anna nodana. Okay, 9th question alli éniде? The magnetic energy stored in the inductor of inductance 4 microfarad and carrying current anna kottidane. So magnetic energy nodi, magnetic energy is equal to, so that is magnetic energy is equal to enide formula 1 by 2 Li square. So this is the formula for magnetic energy stored in the capacitor. So now you have to put the value 1 by 2 L ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6 micro. So current I square 2 into 2. So now 1 to cancel, 4 into 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 8. So ಇದು micro joule. So which is the right answer? ನೋಡಿ milli ಇದೆ micro, that is option 3 is the right answer for 9th question. So 10th question. So 10th question ಅನ್ನ ವೆಂಚುರಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್. ನೋಡಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆಂಚುರಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬರ್ನಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ is the right answer for 10th one. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 11th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 11th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 20 minutes ಇದೆ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 to the power of n. ಇದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ 1/16. ಸೊ 1/16 ಎ ನಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ನಾಟ್ 1/16 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ 2 to the power of ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರದೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. n is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4. ಇದನ್ನ 1/2 to the power of 4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ n is equal to number of years 4 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 6. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂತತಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ is equal to n into half life period. This is the formula. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ is equal to n ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4. ಹಾಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 20 minutes. ಟೈಮ್ is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್? 18 minutes. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 is the right answer for the 11th question. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 12th question ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ 12th question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಮೊರೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೆಮೊರೇಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು? ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇಂದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2/5r. ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. Then m radius, r m is the mass, r is the radius about its own axis, to the radius of gyration of thin hollow sphere. Okay, so thin hollow sphere in a radius of gyration ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? that is the square root of 2/3r. Okay, so ಇವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನರ್ಷಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ I is equal to m into ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವೇರ್ k is called as what? ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನರ್ಷಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಟು ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೈರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ hollow sphere. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2/5r ಇಂಟು, ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಸೊ 3/2r. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2r, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2r ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3/5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3:5 ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ 4th ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು 1 ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 13 ಏನಿದೆ, a 12 watt 60 volt 60 watt lamp is connected to the secondary of step down transformer whose primary is connected to the AC mains of 220 volt supply, assuming the transformer to be ideal ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So this is a very important. Transformer to be ideal ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so we know that is the VP IP. Okay, so primary coil is equal to n ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ secondary coil ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ. So this is the condition is given ideal. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is current in primary ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, whose primary is connected AC. ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 220 into that is ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 60 ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಇಂಟು ಐ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ವಿ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ 60. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1010 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ 6/22. ಸೊ 6/22 ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 0. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 27 ampere. So that is a option 4th is the right answer for 13th question. Next 14th question ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. 14th question ಅಲ್ಲಿ the temperature of the gas, temperature ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So that is temperature of the gas is equal to -50 degrees Celsius. So what temperature of the gas should be heated so that RMS speed is increases by 3 times ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿನ RMS ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿನ RMS ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, V ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿನ RMS ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ V ಆದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲಿನ RMS ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಲಿನ RMS ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಬೈ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಬೈ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4V. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ RMS ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ಗೂ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ಗೂ ಏನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ VRMS ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ಗೂ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ VRMS is equal to square root of 3RT divided by m. So this is the RMS speed equation. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ RMS speed ಗೂ how it is related. So VRMS is directly proportionality to the square root of T. Okay, so now you have to squaring on both side ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so that is V1 square divided by V2 square is equal to n ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that is T1 by T2. Okay, T1 50 degree Celsius ಇದೆ plus 273. So that is equal to 73 ನಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಹೋಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು 223 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. V1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, VE ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 4V ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16V ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is equal to ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 223. ಸೊ ಏನು T2 ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು V ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ T2 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 223 into 16. So 223 into 16 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3568 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? -273 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ -273 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 3295 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟ್? ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 14th question. A bullet is fired from the gun. So let's take, this is the gun with the speed of 280 meter per second in the direction of 30 degree above the horizontal. Okay, so this is the horizontal. So horizontal in the how much degree? That is a 30 degree with the speed is equal to how much? 280 meter per second. Okay, so that this is the question is on the basis of what concept melide projectile motion. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? the maximum height. ನೋಡಿ, maximum height formula, the maximum height is equal to uy square divided by 2g. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x axis y axis. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು cos, this one is called as sin. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ u square sin square theta divided by 2g. So now you have to put the values. So values ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ, that is h maximum is equal to, so 280 into 280 into sin 30. So sin 30 1 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. sin 30 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 4. So then 2 into g value is how much? 9.8. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4 1 ja 7 ja, correct? So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. So now that is a, so 14 7 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 9800, 98 to 20. So that is 9.8. So answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is a 1000 meter. That is a option second is the right answer for 15th question. So let's move to the 16th question. So 16th question ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, the amount of energy required to form the soap bubble of radius 2 cm from the soap solution is. So amount of energy ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to calculate work done. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಇನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4πr² into surface tension. So what is the work done for the soap bubble? Okay, so soap bubble ina work done ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so that is 2 into 4πr² into s. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅವನು? ಸೋಪ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. 2 into 4. ಸೊ 2 into 4 is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 8. 3.142. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 into 10 to the power of -4. Okay, so 8 to pi r square. Then s, surface tension ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? 0.03. So 0.03 ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so now 3 into 10 to the power of -2. So now we have to do the calculation. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? 3.0163 into 10 to the power of -4 joule. Okay, so which is the right answer? 3.01 into 10 to the power of -4 joule. That is a option 2 is the right answer for the 16th question. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 17th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಸೊ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೋರ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ n2 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಮಾರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ಬಾಮಾರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಲವರ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಪವರ್ bp. Okay, so this is a very shortcut tricks for to remembering for the series. Lower by power bp, Lyman series. So Lyman series apandre n1 is equal to 1, Baumol series n1 is equal to 2. So next one, okay, so yadu p, Lyman series, Baumol series, if that is n1 is equal to 3. Next one, bracket n1 is equal to 4, Paschen series n1 is equal to 5. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ, so we know that is a formula is 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 divided by n2 square. Okay, so this is a formula. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬಾಮಾರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ n2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ 1. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ r. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಮಾರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಾಮಾರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 by r. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. Okay, that is a bracket series. So bracket ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. Okay, so 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 16 by r. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇದೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ bracket series is equal to, that is 4 divided by r into r divided by 16. So now the answer is equal to, that is a bracket series of the wavelength is 4 lambda. Okay, so that is a 4 lambda. That is option first one is the right answer for the 17th. Okay, so 18th question anna nodi. 18th question alli, let wire is suspended from the ceiling rigid support and stretched by the weight w. So this is the wire. Okay, so this wire is stretched by the weight w. Okay, stretched by the weight w. So attach it to the free end. The longitudinal stress kelidane nodi, longitudinal stress means, so stress is equal to force. Force is how much, w, area is a. So that is the answer is what, first option is the right answer for 18th question. Let's move to the 19th question. So 19th question anna nodi, angular acceleration of the body moving along the circumference of circle. Nodi, the body is moving in the circumference of the circle. The body is moving in the circumference of the circle. So the question is what is its angular acceleration? First one, angular velocity. It is a angular velocity is omega. Omega is the angular velocity. So angular acceleration, this is angular acceleration is along the axis, that is a angular acceleration alpha. However, so along both are what, parallel, along the axis of what, rotation. So which is the right answer for 19th? So nodi 19th ge, so answer for 19th is along the axis of rotation. Nodi 20 question, two bodies of mass m and 4m 9m sorry. So this is m anta kottidane, innondu enanta helidane illi 9m. Okay, 9m are placed at the distance r. Okay, so these are placed at a distance, ಎಷ್ಟು distance ಅಲ್ಲಿ placement ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ r. the gravitational potential on the line joining the bodies where the gravitational field equals to 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ x ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ x ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x is equal to, we know the short formula, so x is equal to, so ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x is equal to square root of m r divided by square root of m plus square root of, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ m2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9m. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ m ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ m ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 1 plus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ r by 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x is equal to r by 4 ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. r by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is remaining distance? Remaining distance r minus r by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ remaining distance is 3r divided by 4. Okay, remaining distance is 3r divided by 4. Okay, so let's potential V is equal to, so potential V is equal to formula, ನೋಡಿ formula ಏನಿದೆ, minus gm divided by r. Okay, so minus gm divided by r, ಹಾಗೆ minus gm divided by r, r distance r by 4, then minus gm ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 9m divided by distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3r divided by 4. So now that is equal to minus gm, so 4 ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, that is 4 divided by r minus 4 into, so 9 gm divided by 3r. So now we have to do the calculation, minus gm, 4 minus 4 gm divided by r ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ, so remaining ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so that becomes 1, so plus 9 by 3, so we have to do the calculation, that is answer is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 16 gm divided by r. Okay, so that is second option is the right answer for the 20 question. So let's move to the next question, question number 21. Okay, so question number 21 anna nodi, a full wave rectifier circuit consists of 2 pn junction. Okay, nodi full wave rectifier, so this is a full wave rectifier. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in this full wave rectifier ನಲ್ಲಿ, so this is the full wave rectifier diagram. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು full wave rectifier ನಲ್ಲಿ this is called as a load resistance, so this is the output. Okay, so this is called as what, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ output ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್, ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಎಸಿ ರಿಪಲ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತತಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್, ರಿಮೂವ್, ಏನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so you have to remove the capacitor, it will be circuit is same, then it is a output. Okay, so concept related question ide, hagadre that is a second answer is the right for the 21. Nodi the question, a vehicle travels half distance with the speed theta and remaining half distance with 2 theta speed nalli hogta ide anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ first off, that is a first off, then it is a second off. Okay, overall distance s ಇದೆ, so first off andre that becomes s by 2, second off is s by 2. Okay, we know that is a shortcut formula for this one. That is a average speed is equal to formula in the shortcut again. That is a formula is v1. Okay, so 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. So this is the shortcut formula for the yadu correct agi short agirtakanta off distance nalli. That is average speed is equal to 2 into v1 is theta, this is 2 theta, so divided by 3 theta. So now 1 theta get cancelled, that is answer is 4 by 3 theta. That is second option is the right answer. Okay, 23 question. 23 anna nodi, a Carnot engine has efficiency 50% when it is the source temperature. Okay, so let's see, this is called as a heat engine. Okay, so let's come to the point of Carnot engine concept. This is a heat engine. The temperature is, okay, the temperature T1 temperature anna yav kodutte source, that is a Q1 heat, then work done. So work done is equal to, so heat release ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು, that is Q2, that is a T2 is the temperature of what, sink. Work done is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So this is the concept of Carnot engine. Hagadre efficiency is equal to work done divided by heat supplied. Q1 heat supplied is, so then eta is equal to 1 minus T2 of the sink divided by T of the what, source. This is the formula. However, 50% means, so 50% anta helidane nodi, 50% means what, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus temperature of the sink divided by what is the source temperature, 327 degrees Celsius. So 327 plus 270, so 3 aitandre that is equal to 600 Kelvin. Okay, 600. Hagadre that is temperature of the sink divided by 600 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 means 2. So that is the answer is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is temperature of the sink is equal to 300 Kelvin. Now Celsius means what, that is a 300 minus 273, that is 27 degrees Celsius. That is option 4th is the right answer for this question. Okay, so next question is, that is a question number 24. In a plane electromagnetic wave traveling in the free space, the electric field component oscillates sinusoidally with the frequency and amplitude is, electric field at maximum amplitude is equal to 48 is given, volt per meter electric field ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Then amplitude of magnetic field, so magnetic field ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. So in free space ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Okay, in free space, in the free space means that is a speed of light. Okay, what is the relationship between these three? So ಈ ಮೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ, C is equal to E naught divided by B naught. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ B naught is equal to E naught divided by C, that is 48 divided by 3 into 10 to the power of 8. So that is equal to 16 into 10 to the power of minus 8. So 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. That is a second option is the right for the 24th question. So next move to the 25th. 25th anna nodi, the ratio of frequency of fundamental harmonic produced by open pipe. Okay, so open pipe and closed pipe. So the fundamental frequency for open pipe is equal to, what is the formula, that is V by 2L. The fundamental frequency for closed pipe is equal to V divided by 4L. Okay, so ಯಾವುದು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, fundamental harmonic produced by open pipe to the closed pipe. So open divided by closed pipe is equal to open V divided by 2L into 4L divided by B. So VB get cancel, LL get cancel. That is answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So 2:1. That is a option first is the right answer for the 25th. So 26th question ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. 26th is the statement question. For Young's double slit experiment, so two statements are given. If the screen is moved away from the plane of the least, angular separation of the fringes remains constant. What is the angular fringe width? Angular fringe width is equal to, what is the formula for angular fringe width? Okay, angular fringe width. The formula for angular fringe width is equal to beta is equal to lambda divided by small d ಅಥವಾ beta divided by small d. This is the angular fringe width. ಅವನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, if the screen is moved, okay, this is a screen, okay, so ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ d ಅನ್ನ ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ. So d ಅನ್ನ ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ any changes in the angular fringe? No, it is constant. Okay, the fringes is remains constant. That is a what? Correct statement. Second statement anna nodi, if the monochromatic source is placed by another monochromatic source of large wavelength. Okay, idr wavelength anna ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ increases ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, okay, ಇದನ್ನ increases ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, so large wavelength, the angular separation of the fringes decreases ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Decreases ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? No, this is also increases. Why? Theta is directly proportionality to the lambda. Look at this equation. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ only statement 1 is the correct. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ statement 1 is true, statement second is false. That is a option second is the right answer for the 26th question. Okay, 27th question anna nodi. The 27th, the work function of the cesium and potassium sodium is given. So ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now come to the point of concept. Metal. Okay, so this is called as a metal. So this is a energy. Okay, so E energy incident ಆದಾಗ, so work, that is a, this is a emitting. So emitting ಅಂದಾಗ that is called as work function. Okay, so this is work function. So illi E is greater than to work function. So E ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will be for what? Emission. Okay, so E ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ more ಆದ್ರೆ that will be emitting. If E is lesser than to work function ಆದ್ರೆ that is called as no emission. Okay, no emission. If E is equal to work function ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it is a just emission. Okay, just emission. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ E ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 220. Okay, sorry, 2.20. So 2.20 ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So which of these photosensitive emit the electrons? So emit ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇ ಅನ್ನ 2.20 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2.20 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ, 2.30 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 2.30 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2.14. ಸೊ 2.14 ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.14 is what? cesium. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cesium only ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ emit. That is a fourth option is the right answer for 27th question. So 28th question ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. So what is a 28th question? The minimum wavelength of X-rays produced by electron accelerated through the potential difference of V volt is proportional to the ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ is equal to energy for photon is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ hc divided by what lambda. So electron in energy ಏನಿದೆ ev is equal to hc divided by lambda. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ lambda is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ hc divided by ev. Okay, ev, this is the relation. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ potential difference v in volts. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so question ಅಲ್ಲಿ lambda and wave, that is a lambda is proportionality to the 1 by v. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the minimum wavelength and potential is inversely, that is a first option is the right answer for the 28th question. So let's move to the question number 29. So 29 question ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. So resistance value ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So order ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AB into 10 to the power of C format, that is a 22 into 10 to the power of 3 plus or minus 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, this is 5%. So ಅದೇ ಕಲರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So what is the formula? That is a BB Roy Great British Very Group, that is a 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3 ಇದೆ. So 10 to the power of 3, this is the 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So 10 to the power of 3, BBRO, O means, that is called as, O is what? Orange. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ that is a orange, that is a second option is the right answer for the 29th question. 30, an source is connected to the capacitor C. Okay, so that is a source is connected, AC source is connected to the capacitor. Okay, so this is a AC source is connected to the capacitor. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ operating frequency omega. Okay, operating frequency omega ವನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so let's come to the point of when the AC source is connected to the capacitor. So ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ that is called as a capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance is equal to 1 divided by omega into C. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ? So that is due to the decreases in the operating frequency. So omega ವನ್ನ decreases ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ capacitive reactance ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Increases. Okay, increases. Why? Because XC is inversely proportional to the omega. So capacitive reactance remains constant ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Wrong. Capacitive reactance decreases. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ decreases ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು decreases ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Increases. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this is also wrong. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ come to the point of displacement current. So displacement current ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. So XC is equal to 1 divided by omega C. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ XC is called as what? It is a reactance. Reactance means resistance. So resistance, current and voltage. So what is the relationship between these three? That is I is equal to V naught divided by XL. So this is the relation. This is called as displacement current. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ displacement current and XL. Okay, XC, how they are related? Inversely. Okay, so inversely means, inversely XC is inversely. So inversely means you have to write down that is equal to XC. So XC place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? V naught. So V naught divided by ID. Okay, so because XC is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? V naught divided by ID. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the relationship between these two? That is omega is directly proportionality to the ID. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. The displacement current is decreases. That is option second is the right answer for 30th question. 31. So 31 question anna nodi. A photovoltaic means what? It is a solar cell. Another name is solar cell. A solar cell is a device convert optical radiations into electricity. That is a correct statement. Correct? Yes. Xenodioid is a design to operate under the reverse bias in breakdown region. This is also correct statement. However, both first and second, both the statement are correct. Okay, that is a both statement 1 and 2 are the correct. That is a option 4th is the right answer for the 31. 32. So question number 32 anna nodi. An electric dipole is placed at an angle. So theta is equal to 30 degree. With the electric field is E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5. It experiences the torque is equal to tau is equal to 4 Newton meter. So calculate the magnitude of charge dipole length ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So torque is equal to, what is a formula? Torque is equal to PE sin theta. Okay, so then torque is how much? 4 is equal to P. P is equal to Q into 2A is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into electric field is 2 into 10 to the power of 5 into sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. That is charge is equal to, what is the answer? 4 into, so 2 into 10 to the power of 3. So that is the answer. Charge is equal to, so 5. So 2 1 2 2 that is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and then 2 millicoulomb. So that is a third option is the right answer for the 32. So 33. Question number 33 is that the potential energy of long spring when stretched. This is a long spring. Okay, so this long spring is stretched by 8 centimeter. Okay, now stretched by 2 centimeter to U ಇದೆ. So 8 centimeter ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So potential energy of the spring is equal to 1 by 2 kx square. This is the relation. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ U is proportionality to the x square. So that is U initial divided by U final is equal to, so first initial is 2 centimeter, that means 2 divided by 8 whole square. So first initial speed estide, the initial potential energy is U. So hagadre, so this is U divided by U final is equal to, so 2 4 ja, so that is 1 by 16. That is final potential energy is equal to 16 U. So that is a option 3 is the right answer for the 33 question. So 34. So 34 question nodi. A light travels at a distance x in t1 in air, 10x t2 in another denser medium. So what is the critical angle anna kelta. So the critical angle, what is the formula for critical angle? Sin C is equal to 1 divided by the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. So that is equal to the refractive index of air divided by refractive index of denser medium. So that is a refractive index is inversely. So inversely means the velocity of denser medium to the velocity of in air medium. Sin C is equal to, what is the speed in denser? Denser nalli t2. Okay, so that is velocity is equal to distance by time. So that is the answer. Distance ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದು 10x divided by T2 into first one into 10 into x. The sin C is equal to x get cancelled. So that is the 10 T1 divided by T2. So C is equal to sine inverse of 10 T1 divided by T2. Okay, which is the right answer for this question? That is a option 3 is the right answer for 34. 35. Okay, 35 question anna nodi. 35. A galvanometer G does not show any deflection. So does not show any deflection means galvanometer current is equal to 0. So current is 0 means, so this is the potential. There is a no current in this one. The potential difference for this one is, so this is potential difference is equal to how much? Ilidu 2 volt aitu. Okay, hakadre the value of R in given figure. So R resistance value anna find out madake. Okay, hakadre this one is 2 volt, this one is 10. Okay, potential difference is equal to, so estagutte idu 10 ಇದೆ, ಇದು 2 ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ potential difference ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 volt. Okay, so 8 volt, resistor ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 400. Current is equal to, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ current is equal to, so what is a formula for current is equal to, so potential difference divided by R. Potential difference is 8 divided by 400. So that is the answer is equal to, so 4 1 that is a 1 by how much? 1 by 50 ampere. So current is equal to, nodi current to 8 ಇಲ್ಲಿ highest ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ current direction ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Higher to the lower. This is the direction of current. Higher to the lower. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು current flow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 50 ampere of current. So 1 by 50 ampere of current, then voltage ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 volt. So resistance ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ V is equal to I into R. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ R is equal to, so V by I. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ V is equal to how much? 2 volt divided by current to 1 by 50. So that is equal to, so 2 into 50, that is resistance is equal to 100 ohm. That is a second option is the right answer for the 35 question. Section B nodi, the resistance of the platinum wire at 0 degree Celsius is 2 ohm and 6.8 ohm at 80 degree Celsius. The temperature coefficient of resistance of wire. You have to calculate alpha. So what is the formula is here? R is equal to R naught 1 plus alpha into what? Delta T. This is the formula. R, that is the resistance, final is 6.8 is equal to 2 into 1 plus alpha delta T. 80 minus 0, 80. So 1 plus 80 alpha, so is equal to 6.8 divided by 2. So that is 3.4. So 80 alpha is equal to 3.4 minus 1. So that is equal to 2.4. So alpha is equal to 2.4 divided by 80. So 0.03. So 0.03, that means 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That is a option second is the right answer for this question. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 37. So 37 nodi, a satellite is orbiting just above the surface of Earth, time period T, D is a density of the Earth, G is the universal constant of gravitation. So this is the value anta kelidane. So what is that one? 3 pi divided by G capital D. So this is a no dimensions formula. You have to put as it is G. So F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by, so that is R square. So G is equal to F R square divided by m1 m2. So that becomes F. So F becomes enagatte. So mass into acceleration. So mass into acceleration. So into L square. So divided by m square. So what is this one? This is dimensions formula for this one is m to the power of minus 1, L to the power of 3, T to the power of minus 2. So then what is the dimensions formula for D? D means density. So density is equal to mass by volume. So mass volume is L minus 3. So this becomes, so 1 divided by, so plus 1 minus 1 L minus 3, that is a T minus 2, that is equal to T square. That is a first option is the right answer for 37. 38. So 38 question anna nodi. The xt graph of particle performing the simple harmonic motion as shown in the figure. The acceleration of the particle at t is 2 seconds. That is acceleration is equal to minus omega square into x. Acceleration is equal to minus 2 pi by capital T whole square into x. That acceleration is equal to minus 4 pi square T total time period. So total time period is equal to 8 square means 64 into displacement. So displacement is equal to how much? It is 1 meter. So answer, so minus pi square divided by 16. So that is the answer. So minus pi square divided by 16 meter per second. That is option 3 is the right answer for this question. Question number 39. The radius of the innermost orbit of hydrogen atom is, okay, that is innermost orbit is equal to, so this much, that is a 0.53 angstrom. What is the radius of the third allowed orbit of hydrogen? What is the formula? R is equal to n square into r naught. So then R radius is equal to n square. 3 square r naught is how much? 0.53 angstrom. R is equal to 9 into 0.53. So that is R is equal to, that is answer is 4.77 angstrom. That is a option 3 is the right answer for 39. So then 40. So what is the 40 question? The 10 resistor, each resistance are connected in what? Series to the battery of EMF E. Okay, 10 resistors are connected in series. First one is series connection. So in the series, that is a current I1 is equal to what? In series, E divided by what? 10 resistors, that is a 10R. Okay, then negligible internal resistance. Internal resistance is equal to 0. Then those are connected in parallel. So then that will be connected in what? Parallel. So that is I2 is equal to, so parallel is equal to 10E divided by what? R. Okay, the current is increased n times. Okay, the current is increased n times. So current is increased means n times means I2 is equal to n times of what? I1. Okay, so this is the data is given. The current is increased by n times. Well, what is I2? That is a 10E divided by R is equal to n into E divided by 10R. So now R get cancelled. So then E get cancelled. So what is n? N is equal to 100. So that is a first option is the right answer for 40. Then 41. So what is the question for 41? The 41 is a horizontal bridge is built across the river. So this is the river. That is a horizontal building is here. Okay. So this is a building. A student standing on the bridge throws a small ball vertically upward. So this is the boy is to throw the stone on the ball. Okay. With velocity is equal to, so velocity is equal to 4 meter per second. The ball strikes the water surface. So the time is equal to how much? 4 seconds. The height of the bridge. What is the height of the bridge is question mark. So what is a formula? That is S is equal to UT minus of GT square. So this is a formula. However, S means height. So height is equal to how much? Height is equal to H. You have to calculate U. So 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2 into G is 10 into T square is 4 into 4. So that is equal to H is equal to 16 minus 80. So that is a 80 minus 64. So what is negative sign is here? H is equal to minus 64 meter. Minus means the height is what? Decreases. That is height is equal to how much? 64 meter. That is a option second is the right answer for the 41. 42. So let's see 42 question. So notice 42, a very long conducting wire is bent into the semicircle shape A to the B as shown in figure. So this is a figure. The magnetic field at a point P. You have to find out the magnetic field at a point P. This is called as a infinity long wire. Okay, this is also infinity long wire. This is also infinity long wire. So this is the magnetic field. What is the direction of magnetic field? This is inward. What is the direction of magnetic field is here? Inward. You have to take this one. Okay, reference point is here. This is the reference point. Okay, this is the direction of the current. So current illi, this is inward. This is also inward. This is point number 1. This is the point number another one. So this is the current nodi I. So I current flow after that. So what is the this one point is here? What is the direction of this one? It is a outward direction. So this is point number 2. This is point number 3. So then the magnetic field at the point 1 and the magnetic field at the point 3 both are what? Same. Both are same because infinity long wire. What about this one? Magnetic field at the B2 point is what? Semicircle. Semicircle. Okay, so let's see the solution. Magnetic field, both are same. That is a, let's come to the point of this one. So this is a magnetic field at 1, magnetic field at 3 is equal to, that is a mu naught divided by 4 pi I by R. This is a invert. Then B2 is equal to, so B2 is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi I pi divided by R. This is outward. The net magnetic field is equal to the net magnetic field. The net magnetic field is equal to, that is a first one. Okay, this is a outward, this is a inward. Nodi, that is a, this is a more value, this is the less value because B is proportionality to the I. So B2 minus 2 into B. Okay, so this is equal to B. B plus B is equal to 2B. That is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi I pi divided by R minus 2 into mu naught divided by 4 pi I by R. What is a common factor? The common factor is mu naught I divided by 4 pi R is the common. Pi minus 2. So pi minus 2, so let's see the option. So that is a optionally I anna common, okay, R anna idu madde, that is mu naught I divided by 4R. So that is 1 minus 2 by pi. So that is the direction is what? Outward. Okay, which option is right? That is a mu naught I divided by 4R, 1 minus 2 divided by pointed is away. That is second option is the right answer for what? 42. Question number 43. A, this is not gate, andre enagutte A bar agutte, idu B, B bar. So what about this gate? Okay, so ee gate alli enagutte, it is A dot B. Okay, and gate idu, illi dot ide, so dot ide andre that becomes A bar dot B bar. So illi whole bar agutte. So this is from the De Morgan's theorem prakara yen baribodu idana, A bar dot B bar whole bar is equal to, from De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so from the De Morgan's theorem, so what you can write, that is A bar whole bar B bar whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, that is a whole bar. So that is equal to A plus B. So A plus B upon yav gate agutte. So this is called as OR gate. Okay, final result Y is equal to A plus B, OR gate. Okay, OR gate ali 0 0 nodi. So this is a OR gate, A plus B. So that is a option first one is the right answer for 43. 44. Calculate the maximum acceleration of moving car so that body lying on the floor of the car remains stationary. The coefficient of static friction between the body and floor is 0.15. That is a maximum acceleration is equal to, that is called as the So coefficient of what? Static friction into G. That is maximum acceleration is equal to 0.15 into 10. That is maximum acceleration is equal to 1.5 meter per second square. That is a option second is the right answer for the 44. So let's move to the 45. Okay, the 45. The net impedance of the circuit. This is the circuit. Impedance is equal to, so what is the formula for impedance? Impedance is equal to square root of xc minus xl whole square plus r square. So this is a formula for what? Impedance. You have to find out one by one. Okay, so let's see first one, that is a xc. So xc is equal to 1 divided by omega c. So that is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi f into c. That is 1 divided by 2 pi f. Frequency is equal to, so what is the frequency? 50 hertz. Okay, 50 hertz into, so into C, capacitor. So capacitor is how much? Capacitor is 10 to the power of 3 into pi. So 10 to the power of 3 into pi into microfarad, that is 10 to the power of 6. So now we have to do the calculation. So pi get cancelled, pi into 200. So 100 10 square, 10 to the power of, so 5 10. Okay, so that is 10 bantu. Then xl. So xl is equal to, that is xl is equal to omega into L. Omega is 5 to the 100, 10 square pi into L. L is how much? Inductor. So that is 50 divided by pi into 10 to the power of minus 3. So now pi get cancelled, that is a 10 to the power of minus 1 into 50, that is equal to 5. So now you have to put the value, z is equal to square root of, so 100 minus 25, that is a, so z is equal to square root of 10 minus 5 whole square plus 100. So that is a answer for z is equal to 5 root 5. Okay, so 5 into root 5, that is a answer for this question. That is a second answer is the right answer. Next question number 46. So 46 anna we have to split up the diagram. So diagram anna split up madaga, let's see, this is the diagram. So this is a plano convex, this is a convex, so this is the plano convex. So this is a F1, this is F2, this is F3. From the figure in the nodadaga F1, the radius of curvature both are same kottidane. So this is a refractive index is equal to, so this refractive index is 1.5, this refractive index is 1.6, this refractive index is 1.5. The radius of curvature is same, hagagi F1, F3 both are same value. Okay, so now let's see how to solve the problem is here. So that is a formula is 1 by F is equal to N21 minus 1 into, so 1 by R1 minus 1 divided by R2. So this is a formula. So now first case only 1 by F1 is equal to 1.5 minus 1 into, so 1 by R1 it is infinity. Okay, so 1 by R1 is infinity minus 1 divided by 20. So that is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 6 divided by, so this is 1.6, sorry, F1 illide ನೋಡಿ F1 is 1.6, this is called as 1.5. Look at the diagram. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1.6, so that is so minus 6 divided by 200. So similarly F2, so that is F2 is equal to 1 by F2 is equal to, so ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by R1. So this is a R1, this is R2. So R1 no 20 minus 1 divided by minus 20. So now we have to do the calculation, that is F2 is equal to 1 by 20. However, that is equivalent focal length is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus 1 by F3. Okay, F1 is equal to F3. However, that is equivalent is equal to, answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is minus 1 divided by 100. That is second option is the right answer. Next one, question number 47. The electric dipole is placed as shown in the figure. Okay, this is a AA. The electric potential 10 to the power of 2 volt at a point P. At a point P nalli, so what is this distance? 5 minus 3, this is a 2 centimeter. So what about this distance? So this distance is equal to 5 plus 3, that is a 8 centimeter. However, potential at a point P is equal to kq by what? 2. So kq by 2 minus kq by 8. So that is equal to kq 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. So that is potential at a point P is equal to kq 8 minus 2 divided by 16. So that is equal to kq by 16 6. That is answer is equal to, potential at a point is equal to 3 kq divided by 8. So which is the right answer? 3 by 8 kq. That is a option 4th is the right answer for this question. Next question 48. So 48 question, a bullet from the gun is fired on a rectangular wooden block. So this is a rectangular wooden block with velocity is u. So initial velocity is u. When the bullet travels 24 centimeter. Okay, so when the bullet travels 24 centimeter, so then so velocity becomes u by 3. So this velocity becomes enagutte u by 3. Then further penetrates into the block into the same direction before coming to the rest, that is final velocity is equal to 0. So what would be the distance is traveled? Okay, so what is distance is traveled? You have to find out overall this one. Overall this one is equal to question mark. So let's see one by one. The first one, this is a initial velocity, final velocity. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so we know that formula v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, this is a formula. So v square means that is u by 3 whole square minus u square is equal to minus y, because retardation, into a. So x is equal to how much? First one is 24. So that is u square divided by 9 minus u square is equal to minus 48a. So now you have to do the calculation. 9 minus 1, 8 u square divided by 9 is equal to minus 48a. This is called as equation 1. Then the second one is final velocity. So final velocity is equal to how much? It is a 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so 0 square is equal to 0 square minus u by 3 whole square is equal to minus 2 into a into what? X. So that is equal to minus u square divided by 9 is equal to minus 2ax. So this is called as equation 2. So now 8 is equal to 2a get cancelled. That is a 24 divided by x. X is equal to 3 centimeter. So the x is equal to 3 centimeter means this is a 3 centimeter. Overall ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 24 plus 3, that is equal to 27 centimeter. That is a option 4 is the right answer for the 48. Then question number 49. Question number 49. Two thin lenses are the same focal length, but one is the convex, another one is a concave. So these two are get in contact. So these two get in contact. So what is the equivalent focal length? So this is a convex lens means focal length is f. This one is minus f. That is 1 by f is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by f. So that is a 0. F is equal to, so 0 divided by 1. That is the answer is what? Infinity. That is a third answer is the right answer. Question number 50. Okay, last question dear students. A wire carrying the current I along positive x-axis. Andre I is a I cap. Length is L. Kept in magnetic field. This is a magnetic field. The magnitude of the magnetic force. That is a magnetic force is equal to I L vector cross B vector. So F is equal to current to I. So positive, that is a current. Sorry, this is a current is not a vector. You have to scale up. Then L. So L I cap cross B is 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus 4 K cap. So F is equal to I L. Then I cross I is 0. I cross I is 0. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ cross product ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ we have to function sin 0 is 0. Then I cross J. So I cross J. I J K. So I cross J is K. Then it is 3 K cap plus into minus minus I cross K. I cross K minus J. 4 minus into minus plus J cap. then F is equal to magnitude of this one. Magnitude of this one means square root of 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. That is F is equal to 5IN. Okay, that is a second option is the right answer for the 15th question. Okay, so thank you dear students. So please you have to watch the videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so 2023 question paper ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಫುಲ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ MCQs ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು subscribe my channel and go to the playlist ಹೋಗಿ playlist ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ. So you have to watch the videos and to learn for the concept. Okay, thank you once again. So thank you dear students.